So this is Little Bird Nesting Company on 4th Avenue. We're going to go ahead and take a little virtual tour of the shop. Little Bird Nesting Company is a consignment-based resale. It's Tucson's only consignment-based resale shop. We offer both locally handmade and gently used clothes, toys, and accessories. Offer a very unique boutique type atmosphere in which to showcase items for sale. And there's Zoe. Say hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Maybe I should edit this again. Let's see. Okay, Little Bird Nesting Company is Tucson's only children, infant, and maternity consignment store offering locally handmade and gently used clothes, toys, and accessories. Open 7 days a week in the 4th Avenue Shopping District. It's Happy Birthday Revolution or Happy Birthday Radio, or I don't know. You mean, do you work? Why are you always here? Sorry.
Oh.
That's kind of what she meant. I'm just saying.
My friend out just talking stand sometime.
No, he is just addicted to 4th Avenue. He used to be a bartender down here forever, and he can't stay away. Admit it. Oh.